Hello friends, how are all of you? Hope you are doing well. I'm fine. Today I have come with another topic, subjunctive mode. Many students, many people are confused about subjunctive mode. So let's get started. What is subjunctive mode? In a sentence, after these types of verbs, if we find that clause and in that clause after subject, if we find only base form of verb or present form of verb without maintaining the role of tense, it is called subjunctive. I am telling you again, in a sentence after some verbs, if we find that clause and in that clause after subject, when you see only present form of verb or base form of verb, then it is called subjunctive. So you can see here that we proposed that Rafi, take it. It doesn't maintain the rule of tense. Generally, it should be Rafi takes. But here, only present form of verb or base form of verb. We proposed that Rafi take it. In negative sentence, you can see we advised that Rafi not take it. It will be confusing to you, but it is right. And in different admission tests or competitive exams, you will see these types of sentence. So be attentive to understand properly. Here again, you can see we advised that they, we, are is not used. Only base form of verb is used. If you say that if I do it into negative, then not be honest, not be. Then it is necessary that he come. Generally, we think that he should come or he comes. But in appropriate way, it is necessary that he come. It is urgent that all students in general sense are honest, will be there or should be. But here it is urgent that all students be honest. Absolutely right. And subjunctive mode. The officer ordered that everyone be calm. If you make it into negative, the officer ordered that everyone not be calm. They should be hilarious or in another mode. For subjunctive mode, these types of words are used: advise, ask, demand, ingest, suggest, propose, recommend. Generally, these words are used in subjunctive mode. I would like to repeat it again. In a sentence, after these types of verbs, if we see that clause, and in that clause after subject, only present form of verb or base form of verb is used, at that time we can say that it is in subjunctive mode, which does not maintain the rule of tense. Generally in tense, Rafi takes should be, but not in that way now. Rafi take it. And in negative sentence, Rafi not take. Such as we proposed that Rafi take it. Subjunctive mode, not takes. Again, we advised that in negative sentence, Rafi not take it. Absolutely right. Though it seems to you absurd. We advised that they be honest. In general sense, they are honest or they should be honest. But in appropriate way, they be honest. It is necessary that he come. In general sense, he comes or in he should come. But here, not in that way. Only he comes. As those are exception. That's why I have come here to help you to know about subjunctive mode. It is urgent that all students be honest. Should be honest or are honest in general sense. But in subjunctive mode, it is urgent that all students be honest. The officer ordered that everyone be calm. If you make it into negative, everyone not be calm. Generally, these types of words, these words are used in subjunctive mode. So, I hope that you have understood well, you have enjoyed well. Very much important in competitive exams, in admission test. Those are very much important. So, try to understand, watch the video, watch the content, watch the lesson time and again. I hope there will not be problem. So I hope that you will watch the video time and again to understand properly, as it is a little bit difficult to understand. So if you watch time and again, I think that there will be no problem. If you feel problem, if you have any question, write on comment box. I am always ready to help you, dear. I will come back again with another lesson. So till then, bye bye.